and welcome to our special edition of What's Cooking in Worcester. Today we're cooking a holiday recipe that is enjoyable for the whole family. We're going to do a non-alcoholic version of an eggnog recipe. We hope you enjoy. So for this recipe we're going to use 6 large egg yolks. What I like to do when I'm separating the yolk from the egg white is to find the middle of the egg and just crack it on a surface so that you'll get 2 half egg shells, and just go back and forth so that you pull out that egg yolk from the white, and we can just discard the egg whites. We're only going to be using the yolks for this recipe. So what I would do is I'll go ahead and put my 6 egg yolks in my medium saucepan, and then I'm going to give them a whisk. So after I went ahead and whisked my egg yolks, I'm going to go ahead and add the 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. Now if you don't have pure maple syrup, you can just use whatever regular syrup you have in your cabinet. Okay, so after I've added the maple syrup, I'm going to go ahead and add my 3 cups of low-fat milk. And I'm choosing low-fat milk to try to keep it on the healthier side. A lot of people will choose whole milks because they think that it has more calcium, but actually all milks have the same amount of calcium, at least cow milks do. It's just the fat variants that will change. So I'm using the low-fat milk, and again it's 3 cups. Okay. After I add my 3 cups, I'm going to go ahead and add my 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Alright, and then I have 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so what I'll go ahead and do is I'm just going to mix all of this in together. Move it on over to my stovetop. And I'm going to put the stovetop on a medium heat. So I went ahead and removed the eggnog from the burner, and I'm just going to allow it to cool for about 10 minutes. So just remember, you want it to get to about 160 degrees in temperature. You don't want it to boil. After we have served it up in our cup, we'll go ahead and take a sip. It's delicious. Tastes like the holidays. So we thank you for joining us, and we hope that everyone at home has a safe and happy holiday. Thank you.